Hey guys, what's up? I'm a part-time options trader and this is my technical analysis for the market and some of my positions for the day ending September 28th. Typically all this technical analysis is done using candlestick charts. I found the charts, the line chart to be more helpful along with some trend lines, support resistance and moving averages. So let's get on to it. First, we'll look at the three major indexes, and then we'll look at some of the positions that I hold right now. First up is the SPY. So yesterday we talked about a downtrend in here. So this is the a channel, a bearish wedge going on. It broke the channel here, the yellow line, and then it also broke the resistance here, the red line. It's above both of these lines in here. It's very close to the 13-day EMA, which is nothing but the 9 moving average, and it is approaching the 34 EMA, which is the 21-day moving average. So that looks like it's turning bullish. The weekly charts as well, but we don't have to look at it right now. But the overall charts looking bullish. Next up, QQQ. We saw QQQ to be um, a breaking trend yesterday, so it continued the trend here. So it is definitely bullish here. IWM looks like it is trying to move up in here, and as long as it stays under this particular trend line, I'm still bearish on this one, but yeah, but it definitely is moving along with the markets in here. Some of my positions: Apple. So we saw that it was moving yesterday a little higher. I think it's time to actually change the um, trend lines in here. So let me take this off, put a new line that can cover this path in here, right? So that is good. Take this one out, and hopefully we'll continue on this path in here. So this one looks like going in this direction in here. So just trying to connect the two latest peaks and lows. So these two are the lows for sure. These one are the peaks in here. So it definitely looks bullish. As long as it stays above this red line, I think I'm going to be bullish on this one. So let's look at AMD. Take this one out for now. It definitely looks like this needs adjustment as well. I'm going to put in the trend lines connecting the lower lows and trend line connecting the higher highs in here, and definitely it's moving in the upward channel in here, right? So I'm bullish on this one. My favorite, MSFT. This definitely needs adjustment in here. Going to go with the bullish trend. Right. So this one is definitely crossing the 34 EMA. And this is the 21 EMA, and I am all long on this one right now. So there are no short positions on MSFT. Now I entered a couple of trades today, and I want to show that to you. So Baba, basically there was kind of a flag forming in here. We didn't know which direction it's going to break off. So today it kind of broke out on the top side of it. So I put in a position in here. So I'll show you how I'm tracking it and what are the positions in a bit. The next one is Marvel. Again, the same kind of a bullish flag pattern forming in here. This is the pole flag. Bottom half doesn't seem to be cracking this lower support line, but suddenly it actually cracked upside of this flag trend in here. So this line joining the higher highs, this line joining the lower lows, and finally it broke out. So I just went into a trade on this one. So let's take a look at both of these trades and where how I'm positioned on this one. All right, so this is an Excel sheet that I kind of maintain, that is that allows me to track my positions in here. I went in with Baba for, just zoom a little bit here, Baba for 245 call that expires October of 2021. So I do have a year's time for this. So I did pay $54 52 cents, that is altogether 5,500 for that one call, right? So during the day it kind of moved up, so it's currently at 56.63, so my profit is at around 111. So what I did is I used this as collateral or to purchase a covered call, right? So to sell a covered call. um, So I sold this one 282.5 for expiring this week. So that is October 2. I sold it for 2.8. Right now it's 2.9. So I am -1. So that's my current position in here for Baba. Same with Marvel. So I went at 31C. This one is like expiring May of 2021. Got in at 1076, right now 1080, PNL at 4, and immediately I sold using this as a cover. I sold a 40.5 call in here that expires this week. So I sold it for 46. Right now it's actually moving higher, and then the PNL seems to be -8 right now. So overall, in these two positions, I am 106 positive. So that is how I trade. So basically, buy a leap call, and then short the weeklies in here to get profits in here. Now, what I do if I am not profitable in here, if the price runs way ahead and I need to cover it up, right? So that those things I will cover when the time comes, if at all it moves higher. And how I arrived at these numbers 282 or 40, I will also explain that uh, in future. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.